Hello, guys. Welcome back to Crypto Royale with Anne, another Filipino trader from the Philippines. This is another quick update for Cardano and other coins before the inauguration of Donald Trump. So, guys, I'm looking at Cardano right now. I'm looking at the 1 month chart, and this is what I can see. But let's go to the 1 day chart. Okay? So, exactly kung saan natin nilagay yung resistance natin before. I think I've mentioned last time that around 1.14 to 115 yung resistance natin dito, major resistance, medyo umabot nga siya ng, ang pinaka-highest natin, was it yesterday or today, was, 1, let's go with this candle, 1.16. And then after that, bumagsak na siya. So are we going back to this trend line? Okay, are we going back here? So meron, if you're going to see, nasa taas na rin yung EMA 50 natin. So possible na ito yung maging support, meron dyan. But again, anything can happen. Pwede siya mag-parabolic, pwedeng consolidation muna before Monday in the States. Okay? So far, let's go with the 4-hour chart. Yes, as you can see, meron ditong bounce. Are we going to continue? Are we going to have a reversal here? We don't know yet. So let's wait for a few more candles and we'll see kung ano mangyari. There you go. So 1 hour chart, ang ganda ng candle. So we're, okay, bumaba tayo sa 1.0482 and then we'll check for a few more candles. But looking at the stochastic RSI, looking at the MACD, okay, ang ganda. So, possible green candle next dito. So, we'll check, okay, kung ano yung pwedeng maging mangyari dito. But for me, I'm still bullish with Cardano. Okay? I've seen one. Let's go with Doge. Okay, ang ganda ng symmetrical triangle ni Doge dito. Okay? So, as you can see, we're trying to break this resistance. I kept mentioning this before. 0.39, 0.40 area. We have a major resistance there. So, are we going to break it and have another all-time high? Or I mean, when I say another all-time high is yung 0.70, but yes, are we going to break the resistance, I mean? Okay? So ito, major resistance at around 0.45. Okay? So let's go with the 4-hour chart. So sa last okay, let's check. January 18, 2025. Nag-close siya sa, okay, let's check. Umabot siya ng 0.43, nag-close siya ng 0.41. Okay, so we are currently trying to break this resistance. Let's go. Let's check again sa 4-hour chart. 1 hour. Yeah. Below resistance tayo, guys. Kung titingnan natin yung 1-hour chart. Okay? EMA 200 is at 0.3637 areas. Are we going to go back from that support? We need to find out. Kasi medyo malakas tong coin na to. Again, baka siya, sumusunod siya sa BTC actually. So, let's go now to stochastic RSI looking good, RSI looking good, MACD looking good. We need more volume. Baka magkaka-volume pa, it's either Sunday in the US. Let's go with Solana. Solana, actually, I've been watching this coin. Medyo matagal-tagal na. I don't have Solana, pero kasi I'm waiting for it to go back for a pullback. Pero hindi ko na siya i-chase ngayon kasi medyo mataas na siya for me. Okay? Hindi ko siya nakuha dito sa area na to. Sa yung 1.60. I'll just wait for a better, I mean, dun sa level na gusto ko. Hindi ko siya ipipilit. Yeah. And then, let's go with yeah, that's it. I think that's it for today, guys. I have nothing to say sa ibang coins kasi hindi ko naman talaga siya na-chart pa yung iba. But